This is my 2014 Dodge Ram pickup that I took to Nyle Maxwell, 5.7 engine. Nyle Maxwell in Taylor, Texas, to have 4 safety recalls and have them check on a check engine light, which I already knew. It was one error code, and the error code was cylinder 5 misfire. So the truck ran rough, but it ran to the dealership. It's sitting here now after being towed back from the dealership. They had it over a month, and here it is towed back to the house. So let's start it up and see what it looks like. Well, first, battery is not dead. I got a flashing check engine light. So, let me do something about the battery. Actually, let me see if I got enough power to run the OBD code, see what's stored. Hang on. Okay, wow. It went in with one code, came out with 16 codes back from the dealer. There you go. So now we have a P300, PIB14, U1424, PO300, PO50B. Well, I won't read them. You can see them. Shit, some of these I gotta look up. Well, this is my misfire. Yeah, some of these I'm gonna have to look up. I don't even know what they are. Well, there you go. So I know I'm going to take the battery off and get it. I'm just going to take it up to AutoZone and have them test it to see if it's any good. So I'll lose all those codes, is what I'm saying. That's why I wanted to get them on the record here. I don't know what they've done to my engine, but they said it wouldn't run. So let's find out. More to follow.